My name is John. I'm a sports massage therapist and health educator, and my passion is calisthenics. Here are 5 progressions to train the front lever. First, we're going to do the tuck lever. Then we're going to do advanced tuck lever, the tuck straddle lever, the full straddle lever, and the full front lever with the band assist. So the front lever works the lats, right? This is really beneficial to train the front lever if you are interested in increasing your muscle ups or pull-ups. It's going to help with those. It also works tricep in the straight arm position, and it works the rectus abdominis as well as rectus femoris, which is one of the 4 quadricep muscles, the one that crosses the hip.